What's up guys, Pop1 here. Today I'm going to be showing you the Yuzu Switch emulator's best setting for the best graphics and best quality. So let's get started. So if you'll notice, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate is at a 60 FPS using the mod. It is full FPS right now and it is in-game as well. The other popular game that is known for having low FPS is Marvel Ultimate Alliance 3. So to get both of these running max FPS, just make sure to check off the same settings I did and it should work just as well for you. Now guys, one thing to note, if this does not work as well for you, you can of course fiddle around with some of the settings. The ones I'd recommend changing are in graphics, playing with Vulkan or OpenGL, and if you don't want to mess with that, one good one you can change is the experimental resolutions. Putting it at a lower quality can help with performance a lot. Now note, if we go back into Super Smash Bros, it is loading the shaders. It might take a couple of times going into the game, playing a little bit, and coming back out for you to get a solid 60 or maximum FPS, but just know that it can and will happen for you. After we've done that, what I'd recommend is going to Windows, Settings, going to System, scrolling down to Graphics Settings, scrolling down, and what we're going to want to select is the Yuzu app. So wherever you put the exe file, the executable of this, you're going to want to select it by clicking on Browse and then selecting the application. You're going to want to click on it, go to Options and High Performance. Make sure to use your graphics card if you want to use the same settings as I did. The final thing you can do is right click, go to NVIDIA Control Panel, click on Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings, hit Add, click on Yuzu, add selected program, click the drop down and select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Hit Apply. Now, those were all the same settings that I used. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton. Thanks for watching.